Do you know that you can create a foreign TikTok account here in Nigeria without any VPN or looking for anyone that will actually help you to do that? And in this video, I'm going to be showing you a step-by-step practical guide on how you can create your foreign TikTok account here in Nigeria. And not only that, I'm also going to be showing you how you can actually confirm if it's actually a foreign account you created or not. And also show you what you need to do before you go ahead to post your very first video once the account has been created successfully, right? So the very first thing we need to do is to go ahead and open your TikTok account.
So once I go ahead and open my TikTok app here, so the very first thing you will need to do is to come over to this place here. Come over to this your profile icon here where you have this your profile section and click on it, right? Now once you click on it, it's going to bring out your account if you have already logged into TikTok before now. But if you have not signed up or logged into your TikTok account, then this is what you're actually going to be seeing. So if you have already logged in before now, all you just need to do is to go over to where you have add account. You will see add account written below your normal account profile. You will see add account, then click on it. But for those of you that have not signed up or logged in before, you are going to see this. Then all you just need to do is to come down to where you have sign up down here. You can see sign up down here. Don't go to login because you have not created an account yet. Remember, what we want to do is to create a foreign TikTok account, right? So just come down to where you have sign up and then click on it. And from here, of course, you can see sign up for TikTok. And you can see sign up using your mobile phone number. Please don't use your mobile phone number because you don't have a foreign phone number that you are going to be using. So just come down where you have sign up with email and click on it. But before that, what you need to do is to come down to where you have this by continuing with an account located in Nigeria. You can see where it is written here, account located in Nigeria. So what you need to do is just to go there where you have Nigeria and click on it. So once you click on it, it's going to bring different countries for you. So from here, you can choose the country you want to create your account from. So for me, I'm going to be using UK. So you can choose any other country that is monetizable. It mustn't be UK account. And here you can see you can create a United Kingdom account, United Arab Emirates account, Ukraine account, United States account. So instead of using UK, you can also use US, whichever one you prefer, right? So I'm going to go with UK. And once it's selected, now come down again and check to confirm. You are going to see this place now. You can see that by continuing with account located in United Kingdom, you can see that it has switched to United Kingdom, no longer Nigeria account. Now once this is done, then what you need to do is to go ahead and switch to email. Remember, we are not going to be using phone number. So click on continue with email, and then here go ahead and type the email address you want to use. Please don't use an email address that have been used to create a TikTok account before now. So you need to be a fresh email address. So once you have typed your email address, come down to where you have continue. You can also decide to save your login details here for next time, but I'm not going to be doing that right now. So come down and click on continue, right? So an OTP will be sent to that particular email address you use. So go ahead to that email, get the OTP and come and verify it here. So I'm going to go ahead. You can see it here. This is the email. So if you look closely here, you're going to be seeing the code here. So go ahead, copy this code, right? So copy this code, then go back again and then paste the code here. And boom, it's going to bring us to this next interface where you will have to fill your date of birth. Please also note that you must be above 18 years. So whether you are using your actual date of birth or you are forging it, which is not even advisable, make sure it must be above 18 years of age. So I'm going to fill mine, and then it will bring out another interface where you will need to create your password. Now, these are the things you need to know about creating your password. The password must be up to 8 characters. It must contain one letter, one number, and one special character. And then come down to this place and click on continue, right? Good. So once it brings it to this interface, this is where you choose your nickname. So create your nickname. So your nickname is actually going to be the name of your account. If you are creating a movie channel, that is the name of your movie channel, right? If you are whatever you are creating, that the nickname will be the name of that particular TikTok account. So go ahead and type it here, then come down and click on continue. So let me do that right away. And once you are done typing the name, just come here and click on continue as well. Good. Now your foreign TikTok account have been created successfully. So what do we need to do next? Just come again to where you have your profile section here, this your profile icon, and click on it. So once I click on it, this is the channel I just created just now. So you can see it here, Mavis Prime Studio. So you can see 0 followers, 0 following, 0 likes. I just created this account right now. Now once your account has been created like this, how do you now verify if it's actually a foreign account or not? I'm going to be showing you. So once you come to this your profile section like this, then come over to this place where you have these 3 lines and then click on it. Once you are here, the very first one we are going to take is to come to where you have settings and privacy, which is this last option here. Click on it and then come over to this first option where you have account. Go ahead, open the account, and now come to where you have account information. So once you click on account information, it's going to load up and show you the email address you use in creating your account, and below it account region, you're going to see that it's showing as United Kingdom, not Nigeria. You can see your account region is initially set based on the time and place of registration. So this will actually prove to you that this is now a foreign account and not a Nigerian account, right? Now the next way you can actually verify this is to go back again. Let me show you another way you can verify. So if I click on this back arrow here and then go back, then I'll click on it again to go back again and again. So once you come back to our home page here, just go back again and click on these 3 lines again, right? So once I click on these 3 lines again, then come over to this first option, balance, where you have balance. Click on it and it's going to open up. So once it loads up here, now you're going to see that my balance is now showing in British pounds, because you can make use of pounds, right? You can see it's in pounds. If it's a Nigeria account, you're going to be seeing Naira here. If you use US account, it's going to be showing USD here, right? So this is how you can actually prove that, okay, you created a foreign account, right? So once this is done, let's go back again to our home page here. So once you are back on your home page, you are done and set. So you have successfully created a foreign TikTok account here in Nigeria.
So guys, this is how you can successfully create a foreign TikTok account here in Nigeria. Now, before you go ahead to post your very first video, once this account has been created, you can go ahead and watch this video showing up here now, which will tell you everything you need to do before you go ahead to post your very first video. Thank you and see you in my next video.